So I was just checking up on some delivery, and it looks like my tripod was delivered today, so let's go check the mail. I got a new chair, so sweet, it's here. So let's open this little fucker. Yay, it's here. So I finally got my tripod in. I'm super stoked about that. It's actually really good quality. I stuck it to the side of my refrigerator because it has magnetic feet, and it actually held my camera up, and it's a pretty heavy camera, so that's pretty badass. I'm actually just now waiting for my tank to be here. It says it's gonna arrive Monday, but this arrived today, so I'm kind of like, eh, what? Dope. So finally got the fucking tank in. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's in it. Wow. Pretty good condition. There goes a new sensor. It's supposed to stop the false coolant reading. Oh, it's pretty nice. So if you can see here, that tank looks pretty good. Pretty excited about it. So let's start taking stuff apart. That always scares the fuck out of me. Bad, that scares me bad. But as you can see here, in comparison, you have trash, trashy, and not trashy. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the drain pan and slide it up underneath it to catch any fluids that are going to come up out of the, sorry about that, that's going to come out of the tank. So I'm slowly rethinking my camera decision. I've already killed like, let's see, 12 batteries today. I'm using crappy batteries, you know, but still, 12 batteries, that's a lot of batteries. That's a lot of batteries to kill. Anyways, if you can see here where all of that coolant has been oh so slightly just pouring onto everything. Oh my goodness, that is just pitiful. So what we're gonna do, boys, we're gonna start taking off some of these bolts. We have uno, dos, and I believe that's all because on the extra bottle there's just uno and dos. So there's no tres in this situation, but there's a lot of hoses to take off. So let's get started. I'm not sure on how well the visibility is, but I try to get it in there. What's that? Holy shit, too big. So, holy shit, just right, big buddy. I'm assuming we just need the baby one, but you know, we'll see if it breaks everything loose. I should probably take off some hoses first, but I'm impatient. So, let's just get some of this shit off. Disconnecto, and what's that? Holy shit, there's a lot of fluids in this. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You want to set that somewhere where it's not gonna piss out fluids on you. So just gonna tuck it somewhere up there. And now what we got to work with is another bolt. So let's take that out. That's gonna be in your way. We don't really need that. Kind of like doing shit myself because it's cheaper, and well, like I said, if you fuck something up, it's on you, and it's not on anybody else. It's your dumbass mistake. So if I make a dumbass mistake today, everybody's gonna find out, and somehow I just transition to a fucking country hillbilly hick, boys. Fucking random. So now that we got those two out, I'm just gonna pull it out to see what's going on in here, boys. Okay, so damn, son, that's a lot of hoses. Wait, let's see. How many hoses is that? We got uno. Okay, so dos. That's not that many. So dos. I should probably have a fucking drain pan, but dude, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm about to turkey baster this shit out of here, dude. I'm about to do that like right now. Come on, boys. Anyway, fuck it. Okay, so does it fit? All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this turkey baster that I just found in the kitchen. My fiance probably doesn't want me to use it, but I don't feel like fucking around with jacking the car up like you're supposed to do and removing some other shit. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm just gonna transfer this fluid from this bottle into the damn drain pan. So holy shit, this is about to be a mess, boys. Alright, boys, so I'm just gonna lay some paper towels over my car because it's about to be a mess. Dada boom. Dada boom. Alright, they'll call that good. Fuck it. Holy shit. Alright, well, it's not gonna be as messy as I thought. Alright, yeah, it's gonna be fucking messy. So, holy shit. Gotta buy a new turkey baster, I guess. Oh my gosh. Like, if you have a wife and you know she's probably gonna kill you for using her turkey baster, don't use her turkey baster. Do something else. Me, however, I don't think she'll kill me. She's definitely gonna be pissed off, but I don't even know if it's working. Oh, okay, so it's working. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is there's a clip right here, and I kind of got the fluid to where it's not gonna really spill out too much. I don't know what's going to come out of this hose, but pretty much YOLO everything I do. So, oh, it did nothing came out. Okay, so let's keep you handy. Don't go anywhere, Bubba. Okay, now what I gotta do is, holy shit, there's still a lot of fluid left in this thing. Okay, so yeah. Okay, there's definitely shit coming. Okay, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it's coming from everywhere. Oh, holy shit. Let's put that back on. Yeah, I fucked everything up. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, so, wow. The higher I elevate it, the more it comes out. Oh, don't stop. Okay, leave it down low. Down low. Freaking coolant everywhere. On my garage floor. Everywhere. The tank's empty. It's all over my freaking car. Okay, get out of here. Freaking piece of garbage. You know, it's a little carb, okay, so you're gonna need a little wrench. Cody, you're a bitch, boy. Back at it again with another episode of Cutting Corners Where You Can. Today we have so much bullshit. Back at it again with a video of This right here is called In My Fucking Way. That's what that is called. Alright guys, so as you can kind of see, where I'm at with this. I pulled my air box up. You can look up underneath it to see where it's been just spewing up out of there. It's just gross. It's nasty. Nobody likes seeing that. So that is pretty freaking gross. I'm actually like looking around to make sure like nothing else is, you know, damaged. But as you can see, I have a billet aluminum radiator. So if that was to get a hole in it, that wouldn't be good. I'm gonna put everything back together after I got it all pulled apart, and going to put the air filter back on there, battery back in there. I'm going to put coolant inside of it, fire it up, see what it does. I just dropped the damn bolt that holds something onto the air box inside of the tank. Bruh. So I got the tank in, got the air box situated, all this is back, all well and good. Next thing to do is stick the battery cover back inside of it and hook the battery back up to it and fill it up with coolant and start it up. Alright guys, so we got it filled up to the full line now. You can actually kind of see it. You can see the line now. On the other tank you couldn't really see where your fluid was. That's just, come on guys, look at that. It's all oxidized, fucking just nasty. Look at that lid, oh my goodness boys. Now look at this. Not garbage. That's good. Piece of shit. Horrible. Turkey baster, by the way. Okay, so we made it back to the garage. Let the car cool down just for a second, and holy fuck, this camera is, whoa. Okay, there we go. Anyways, made it back to the garage, gonna let the car cool down just a little bit, and we're gonna check the fluid. We are on point, boy. Heck yeah. Super excited about that. Now I got a mess to clean up, boy. Look at that mess I made. Holy cow. Bruh.